Hello, my name is Sebastian Farigua of the course 701. Today I am going to prepare stupid brias, accompanied with green rice and French fries. First, for the preparation of the green rice, we need 1 cup of rice, 6 spinach leaves, 2 garlic cloves, salt to taste, oil to taste, 1 liter of water. Hello. First we turn on the stove. Then we add oil in the pot. After, add 1 and 2 pieces of onion to the oil. Then in the blender add half a liter of water. After we add more leaves of spinach in the blender. We cover the blender and we turn it on. Wait for it to be like this. We turn off the fire and add the other half a liter of water in the pot. Uncover the blender. And we add salt to taste. Add ground garlic to taste. And finally, add the liquefied spinach in the fine pot. And we stir everything. After, when the rice is dry, we lower the intensity of the fire a little. We must cover it with a piece of aluminum. And then with the lid of the pot. While the rice is finished cooking, we go to the cutting area and put a piece of transparent paper, take the breast, and we extend it over the table. Add pepper and salt to taste. We spread all with our hands over the breast. Then we take a slice of cheese and a slice of ham and put it on the breast. A slice of sausage and roll it up. Put a line of apple slice and roll it up again. Add a line of slice of strawberry and roll it up again. Put a slice of cheese and another slice of sausage and roll it up again and repeat the previous steps. At the end, we take the tips of the transparent paper and roll it. With the tips of the roll, we make a keynote. Finally, we turn on the stove and put the roll in water. Finally, while finished cooking the rest, follow with the French fries. First, we need to peel the potatoes. I already have some peeled. Now we must cut them like this. We are careful not cut us. After this, we must put in on water with salt for 5 minutes. I already have some potatoes. After 5 minutes, we must wash the potatoes and wait until they drain. After this, we put the pan on the fire and a lot of oil. We must wait until the oil is hot. Later, we add the potatoes. Careful. We wait for it to cook. Finally, while cooking French fries, we take our cooked brioche and remove the plastic. We add enough butter to the pan so that it does not stick, and put the roll. It is a time to serve. I have already. I have a roll already cut. We take the plate and serve the green rice. We put the rolls in these ways. And finally, decorate the edges with the French fries and ready. Now we go to enjoy our culinary work.